Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how you can clear your all conversations by one clicks. Because sometimes we have a lot of conversations. So in this video, I will show you how you can clear your all conversations by one clicks. And so without wasting time, let's start video. Before starting the process, if you did not subscribe our channel, please subscribe it. So firstly, open the Snapchat and then you will see profile icon and you will see profile icon at the top left corner. Click on it and then you will see setting options at top right corner. Click on it and then scroll down the page. So here you can see clear conversation. Click on it. So these are all conversations of you have. So click on it and then again clear and then clear. So when you will go back and you will see that all conversations are deleted easily. So by following this process you can easily delete your all conversations very quickly. If this video is helpful for you, please like it and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.